Hello and welcome to my December 2020 bullet journal setup video. This is super simple theme and easy design for beginners. If you like to plan with me, please grab your bullet journal and a black pen to create this setup. There is an old saying that all is well when the end is well. The year 2020 is already a dreadful year for many of us. We are still getting over the personal losses as well as the financial ones. Hence, for this month, I have decided to create a Christmas tree theme to cheer up the mind with festivity. I have used Sakura Pigma Micron pen to draw the simple shapes for the tree combined with zentangle doodle patterns to give it extra vibe in my bullet journal setup. These zentangle patterns are super simple, anyone can draw, you just need only one pen. Though I have used the 0.5 mm and 0.8 mm interchangeably to create this doodle. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Shomi and I share bullet journal, doodle and watercolor related content every week. If you are interested, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified for the future videos. I doodle a few snowflakes as well to frame my Christmas tree to give it a wintry chill effect. If you like to plan with me, please use a ruler to draw the lines if required. I couldn't find my ruler today while creating this setup. Maybe my daughter misplaced it somewhere. Life with kids is always endured with lost and finding things, isn't it? I have also drawn some gifts beneath the tree to complete the look for the Christmas tree. Now when I am happy with the front page, I will move on to the next page, which is the monthly setup. The most of the doodle or design I use in the front page mostly. The other pages I do simple doodle, but I keep my format super minimal because I think with minimal setup I can reflect more on my thoughts as well as I get more space to write. So for this monthly layout I don't use the regular calendar format. Instead I write down the dates and the weeks in a line. I think in this design I can use more space to write and it looks more clear and minimal. And next page I will write down my goals and tasks and event for that month. I assign myself 5 or 3 goals every month to perform, and the task is the most important item I need to do for that month. In the following page, I will create the mind map. In the mind map section, I will write down the random ideas or things that come up in my mind, which I may need to reflect in the future. For the habit tracker, this month I will track my meditation. I actually do meditation every day, but this month I have decided to do meditation in the night as well before going to bed. As well as with the meditation I will track my reading habit and the exercise as well. In the below I have some space too. I have created some doodle for the tree. In the following page I will create the reflection for 2020. The year 2020 is already very hectic, but I should reflect on my year so that I can also move back the positive things that happened this month. The following pages are for the weekly spread. So I have also used very simple layout here. First, I will write down my goal for the week. I actually create 5 or 3 goals for my month, as I said earlier, and then I will cut down it separate small goals for every week. So here my weekly spread is very simple and minimal to follow for the beginner. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and comment your feedback in below. I'll hope to see you again in my next video. So please subscribe my channel and also please hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay happy and live a creative life. Goodbye.